Ever pondered the depths of your ancestry or how you're connected to the vast human family tree? Well, DNA testing is a key that can unlock these mysteries. It's a scientific technique that examines your genetic code, the very blueprint of life. To trace your lineage and ancestry, it's like a time machine, taking us back to our roots, revealing who our ancestors were and where they came from. And it's not just a fad. DNA testing for genealogy has grown exponentially in popularity. Why? Because it's more than just a test, it's a journey into the past, a way to uncover stories that time may have forgotten, and a tool to forge connections with long-lost relatives. It's about understanding yourself better by knowing your past. So if you're ready to dive into your family's past, DNA testing is an exciting place to start. There are several types of DNA tests, each revealing different aspects of your ancestry. Let's start with autosomal DNA tests. These are the most common and provide information about both your maternal and paternal lines, illuminating your family tree up to about 6 generations back. Next, we have mitochondrial DNA tests, or mTNA tests for short. These focus solely on your maternal line. Since mitochondrial DNA is passed down from mother to child, it can trace your maternal lineage way back, even thousands of years. Lastly, there's Y chromosome DNA tests. These are exclusive to those born male as only they carry the Y chromosome. This type of test can trace your direct paternal line, revealing information about your surname and other paternal lineage details. Each of these tests offers a unique lens through which to view your ancestry. So whether you're after a broad overview or a deep dive into a specific lineage, there's a test for you. Remember, the type of test you choose depends on what you want to discover about your ancestry. Choosing the right DNA test can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. To make the best choice, you should first identify your genealogical goals. Are you interested in tracing your maternal line, paternal line, or both? Do you want to connect with distant relatives, or are you more focused on discovering your ethnic roots? There are 3 main types of DNA tests: autosomal, mitochondrial, and Y chromosome. Each type of test provides unique information. Autosomal DNA testing, for instance, traces both male and female lines and can help you find relatives. On the other hand, mitochondrial DNA testing traces the maternal line, and Y chromosome testing traces the paternal line. Remember, no single test can give you all the answers. Each test has its strengths and limitations, and the results will only be as accurate as the data they're compared to. So, choose wisely and embark on your journey of discovery. Several companies offer DNA testing, each with its unique benefits. Let's start with Ancestry DNA. Known for its extensive genealogical databases, this platform can trace your lineage back through multiple generations. It's perfect for those looking to build a comprehensive family tree. Next, we have 23andMe. This company stands out for its health-related genetic reports. While it also provides ancestry information, its health insights add an extra layer of intrigue to your genetic exploration. Lastly, there's MyHeritage DNA. This platform is renowned for its user-friendly interface and international database. If your ancestral ties span across continents, MyHeritage DNA could be your key to uncovering those connections. Each of these platforms offers unique features and benefits, like raw data access, chromosome browsers, and DNA matching with other users. They all contribute to making your genealogical journey an enlightening experience. Your decision will depend on what you hope to learn and which platform aligns best with your needs. Receiving your DNA results is exciting, but interpreting them can be a challenge. Let's break it down. When you first look at your results, you'll see terms like haplogroups, centimorgans, and ethnicity estimates. Don't let these names intimidate you. Haplogroups trace your lineage back thousands of years. They're like the branches on your family tree. Centimorgans, on the other hand, measure genetic linkage. In simpler terms, they help determine how closely you're related to your matches. The higher the number, the closer the relationship. Lastly, ethnicity estimates. These percentages map out where your ancestors may have originated from. Remember, these are estimates based on comparisons with existing DNA samples, so they're not absolute. Deciphering your DNA results isn't just about numbers or percentages, it's about piecing together the puzzle of your ancestry. Understanding your results brings you one step closer to uncovering your family's story. One of the most thrilling parts of DNA testing is the potential to connect with distant relatives. Imagine uncovering a hidden branch on your family tree, or finding a cousin halfway across the globe. This is the power of DNA testing. It's like a key, unlocking doors to rooms filled with relatives you may not have known existed. And it's not just about the numbers, it's the stories, the shared history, and the chance to expand your understanding of who you are and where you come from. By connecting with newfound kin, you can piece together family narratives and ancestral journeys. You might even stumble upon shared traits or interests, creating deeper bonds. This is the beauty of genealogy. It's a living, breathing field of study that grows with each new connection made. It's a way to bridge the past with the present, and maybe even forge new relationships for the future. Who knows? You might just find a long-lost cousin or two. Like any journey, DNA testing can present challenges. One of the most common is the element of surprise. You may uncover unexpected connections or learn something about your ancestry that seems out of place. It's important to approach these findings with an open mind. Remember, DNA doesn't lie, but it also doesn't tell the whole story. Each result is just a part of a larger, more complex narrative of your family's history. If you encounter results that seem confusing or contradictory, don't panic. DNA testing is a science and it can be complex. Seek assistance from experts, join online communities, or reach out to the testing companies themselves. They often have resources to help you understand your results. And if you discover something unexpected about your family tree, take it in stride. Every family has its surprises. Remember, every discovery, no matter how small, is a piece of your unique family puzzle. And DNA testing is not just about discovery, it's also about privacy. In our quest to uncover the secrets of our ancestry, we must also consider the implications of sharing our genetic data. DNA testing companies often have robust measures in place to protect this sensitive information. However, the responsibility does not end there. As consumers, we need to understand how our data is stored, used, and potentially shared. Just as we delve into the intricacies of our genetic code, we must also navigate the fine print of the terms and conditions. These documents, though often overlooked, hold vital information about our rights and the company's obligations. They detail the company's data handling practices and spell out the measures taken to secure our genetic data. It's crucial to remember that while the revelations of DNA testing can be exciting and enlightening, our genetic data is a part of our personal identity. Awareness and understanding are your best allies when it comes to protecting your genetic data. The field of DNA testing for genealogy is ever evolving. The future holds exciting possibilities as technology advances, opening up new avenues for exploring our ancestral roots. One of the significant emerging trends is the development of improved algorithms. These sophisticated calculations are becoming increasingly adept at analyzing DNA samples, making predictions more accurate and providing deeper insights into our lineage. In addition to this, DNA testing companies continually innovate by offering additional features. For instance, tools that allow users to map their migration paths over generations, or enhance databases that can match us to relatives we never knew existed. These advancements not only enhance our understanding of our past, but also help us connect with our extended family, creating a global community linked by shared ancestry. Technology is painting a more vivid picture of our past, and with it, we're gaining a richer understanding of who we are and where we come from. As technology advances, who knows what secrets about our past we'll uncover next? Ready to get the most out of your DNA testing experience? Let's dive into some practical tips to maximize your results. First, consider testing multiple family members. Each person's DNA holds unique pieces of your family's genetic puzzle. The more pieces you have, the clearer the picture becomes. Second, don't overlook the power of traditional genealogical research. DNA testing is a powerful tool, but it's most effective when combined with historical records, family trees, and other traditional research methods. Third, engage with the online community. Many DNA testing platforms offer forums where users can share insights, ask questions, and connect with others who are digging into their family's past. Lastly, remember that patience is key. Understanding your DNA results can be complex and may require time and learning. Remember, combining DNA results with traditional research can open new doors to your past.